Hello and welcome to my channel Learn, Make and Repeat. On this channel it's not about being better than someone else, it's about being better than you were yesterday. And I found this motivational sentence while I was searching the internet to get a solution for a problem in my IT job. And it's not a big deal to read in English, it's not a big deal to search in English, but it's a really great problem to speak in English, because in the last 25 years I only spoke about 30 minutes in English, and that's quite less. And with these videos and the upcoming videos, I hope to improve that. I hope to improve my spoken English and learn that within 6 months. 6 months are really short time, but it's all about practice. And spoken English is you will learn English only if you think in English and if you practice speaking in English. So if I made a lot of errors now in this intro, I'm sorry for that, but well, I hope tomorrow I'll get better. So see you next time, and if you like that, give a thumb up or subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.